off till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth.
What's up, YouTube? This is my other bike. I'm doing a bike check on. It's pretty nice. It's a tank, and it's short, and I'm too big for it. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I've had it for like what has it been, like 3-4 years?
About that.
Yeah, about 3 or 4 years. So here we go. Hopefully I can take my time this time. Okay. First off is these gray haro knee saver bars. Got leather grips. I've had those for a while too. They're my brother's. These have been cut down like an inch on each side, but they're pretty nice. Guarantee you he's gonna come in here. Nope. And then my stem, which is on it, it's a 141 industry stem, front load. It's a fucking tank, but it's pretty good, solid. No name forks with 990 mounts, but I don't ride brakes, so yeah. Haro heffer front rim. Hee. Not sealed, but it's 14 mil, so it's good. Medium PSI tire, kinda gay, but I think it's from Walmart, right? Walmart. And then a white front peg that used to be on my Haro, but I sold it, or traded it. And then the frame, modem giant. Woohoo! Poverty sofa seat, pretty good. It's comfy as hell. And then a felt. It's off of a felt 20.5 base before they stopped making it. And then this felt seat clamp off the same one. Other white peg. I have no idea what they are, but yeah. Rear 14 mil unsealed Haro heffer rim. A 75 PSI rear tire. DK pedals. They were chrome, but I painted them black, and now the black's rubbing off, so now they're all ugly. Oops. And then finally, unsealed green Proline cranks. If they were sealed, it'd be a lot better, but... Oh, and then some kind of poopy sprocket. I have no idea what it is, but... Yeah, it's... okay, I guess. And that's my bike, or my other bike. So, yeah, I'll probably have another bike checkup later, too.
I'ma rip this shit till my bones.